Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send .exe or .rar files in Gmail without running into Gmail's security block. If you've ever tried to attach these types of files directly, you already know what happens. Gmail immediately stops you with an error. That's because Gmail has strict rules against sending executable files or compressed archives that could contain harmful code. While this is good for safety, it can be frustrating when you actually need to share a file for work, study, or even just a project with a friend. But here's the good news. There's a very simple way around this. The easiest and most reliable solution is to use Google Drive. Instead of trying to attach the file directly, you upload it to Drive, generate a link, and then share that link in your Gmail message. This bypasses Gmail's restrictions completely, and the best part is that it only takes a couple of minutes. So let me walk you through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the same Google account that you'll use to send the email. Next, look at the left-hand side of your Drive dashboard and click on the New button. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. A window will pop up, allowing you to choose the file you want to send. Find your .exe or .rar file on your computer and upload it. You'll see the progress bar in the bottom right corner, and once it's done, the file will appear in your Drive. Now, the second step is sharing the file properly. Right-click on the file you just uploaded and select Get Link. By default, the file may be set to Restricted, meaning only you can access it. To fix this, click the drop-down that says Restricted and switch it to anyone with the link. This way, the recipient can open and download the file without needing special permission. If you'd rather limit access, you can also type in the person's exact Gmail address to share only with them. Once you've adjusted the permissions, click Copy Link. Now go back to Gmail, start composing a new email, and simply paste the link into the body of your message. Add your subject, write your note, and send it off. When your recipient opens the email, they just click the link and download the file straight from Google Drive. No blocks, no errors. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, you can send .exe or .rar files safely using Gmail with the help of Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next one.